Hey, ZVM. It's a little dark out here, and that's because I am walking these guys around. It's around that time of night where I sort of take them out for the last time and then I go to bed. So that's what I do. I'm just out here watching them and stuff. Around this time of night, especially around this time of year, it's really nice out. Like, you can feel the radiant heat off of the ground right here, and like the walls of the house is really cool. It's one of the reasons why I like coming out here at night so much, is just to enjoy the radiant heat coming off of pretty much everything. And that thing right there is a neat little solar panel there. I really like that. I think that's really neat. So, what you doing? Coda! Oh, hi, Coda. You're a good boy. So, yeah, I'm just watching them. You want to go inside? You done? You want to go inside? Coda? And go in? Go inside? No, not yet. Yeah, he's sniffing around. Well, yeah, that's what these dogs are doing. They're doing what dogs do, so, yeah. Until next time, this is Zach, out.